Greetings, friends. It's me, your old friend Max West, and here on this fine Sunday, in the home stretch of my 30-day drawing challenge, I'm going to be doing yet another drawing. Now here, I'm going to draw another Poison Ivy Gulch character. In comparison to yesterday, I drew the rather stout Tab Stop. Today, I'm going to be drawing Poison Ivy Gulch's resident undertaker, Rigor Mortis. Yeah, that's a pun, that, on the rigor mortis, which is what happens when the body stiffens up just after death. Very fitting, huh? Alright, now I usually use a kind of a rounded rectangle for the head there. Give him a long, long, long body. Alright, now, usually I start up here with the head. I give him a long, hooked, beak-like nose. That helps make it memorable. His schnozola is much bigger than the mare's. Alright. Yeah, he's the Undertaker out in Poison Ivy Gulch. Death was very much a fact of life out there. A lot of people died in the Old West, and contrary to what you see in the movies and in television, it was not necessarily due to gunfights. It was a lot of sickness then. We have to understand the 19th century, they did not have the same level of medicine that we did. Alright, let's give him his long coat here. Alright. A nice long coat there, complete with tails. Hand there. Let's draw another hand here to give him some three-dimensionality, not make him look flat. Alright, let's give him his pants. And he does have very big feet there, very big clodhopper feet. Yeah, don't ask what his shoe size is. He won't tell me. Alright, yeah, let's get rid of, I think we can do without whatever this line. It's a superfluous. Alright, so there we go. I sometimes show him wearing a hat, either a top hat or a derby. Alright. He usually likes hanging out with Herman the German, the local hangman. That makes sense. I mean, death is their business. Alright, let's just tighten up some of the pencil here. Color in those big shoes of his. And there we go. Bit of a shadow. We sign. And there we go. A completed drawing of Rigor Mortis, the local undertaker of Poison Ivy Gulch. That does it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out Poison Ivy Gulch at the link below. Until next time, it's me, Max West, saying goodbye.